Hello, Jason here from septictank.co.uk. Welcome to another live broadcast, and today's broadcast I'm going to deal with a very popular topic: how to find the right septic tank and soakaway, right, based on the number of bedrooms that you've got. So a very popular question I get asked is, how big does a septic tank and soakaway need to be, right, if I want to cater for my 3 to 4 bedroom house? Well, I'm going to show you. Okay, so let me just crack on to here. Bear with me a second and let me get on here. Okay, so we're going to discuss then, if I just bring this down a bit, we're going to discuss the size of the septic tank that you're going to need, all right, for a 3 to 4 bedroom house. Now, option number one, right, is you can spend 12 to £15,000 on getting a company in to replace your old septic tank and your soakaway with a new one, or to supply and install a new septic tank and soakaway for you. That's a very popular route, an option that many people choose to go down. They'll do all the hard work for you, they'll size it, they'll work it all out, etc, etc. However, it will cost you £12 to £15,000 to go down this particular route, which is fair enough. I mean, some people have got that kind of money spare and they can pay that job done. The reason I've made this video is because I want to show you another option that not many people consider, although it's very, very popular, because I try and educate people that there's more than one option to go down, right? So that's option number one. Option number two, right, I'm going to show you how to save £12,000 by buying your very own septic tank and soakaway kit, right, and getting your builder or a groundsman to install it. You can even do it yourself. Many people just get themselves a 1.5 to 3 ton digger and do it themselves. But the point is, this is option two, and as I said, it will save you 12,000 quid. So let me show you a bit more about this option. All right, so as I said, they're called septic tank and soakaway kits, and the one that we're looking here in particular is the 3 to 4 bedroom, although you can get them almost for any size bedroom. You can get them for 1 to 2 bedroom, 3 to 4, 5 to 6, 7 to 8. So let's just stick with a 3 to 4 bedroom. So let me show you what you're getting, and let me show you how easy they are to install. Okay, so let me just click on this one. All right, so instead of having to pay 12 to 15,000 quid out, you can see they're just 1,899. In fact, they're normally 2,400 quid, but there's £500 off at the moment due to the COVID-19. But let me show you what you're getting. All right, so with the septic tank soakaway kit, you're getting 5 meters of underground pipe. It's single socketed, so you don't have to worry about any sockets. You're getting a septic tank inspection chamber. All right, I'm going to show you how all this fits in together in a minute, right? So what else are you getting? You're also getting a low profile septic tank. Now, the low profile septic tanks are different from an onion septic tank in the sense of they're half the height of an onion tank, and unlike those big bulbous tall crazy onion septic tanks that like take 3 days to install and you've got to put like 600 to 1,000 quid's worth of concrete around it, the low profile septic tanks don't require any concrete whatsoever. Take about 40 minutes to install. You're also getting the latest technology on soakaways, which is you're getting septic tank soakaway crates, right? So you don't have to worry about all the sizes, because the number of pipes, the septic tank soakaway crates, the free membrane you're getting with it, the inspection chamber, the pipe work, it's all designed for a 3 to 4 bedroom property. All right, so let's say you decide to go with a kit. Now, whether you get your builder to install it or you want to install it, let me show you how easy they are to install. All right, so here we've got your garden. All right, it hasn't been touched or dug up at all. But have a look at this, right? Have a look at this. Right, so the first thing you need to do is dig a trench from your property to where you're going to locate your tank. So let me just show you that, okay? There you go. So number one, all right, so there you go. So first thing, you just dig a very shallow trench. All right, so let's give you another angle of that to show you how easy it is. There you go. So you just dig a trench. Literally, the bucket will do it in about 5-10 minutes. Next thing you need to do is work out where you're going to put your septic tank, which you would have done before you dug the trench. And then what you do, you just dig a hole for the septic tank. Boom, there you go. How easy is that? So we've dug a single trench and we've dug a little hole for the septic tank. Now the next thing that you'll need to do is dig another hole for the inspection chamber, and you're going to dig another hole for your soakaway, for the septic tank soakaway crate. So that's pretty straightforward, isn't it, so far? Now these holes and the trench will take you an hour to do, an hour and a half, something like that. And when you've done it, you just got your kit, which is laid out on the lawn in front of you. The first thing that you do is you just lay down the pipe in the trench. So this would connect to your property or your mobile home or your glamping site or whatever. So you just lay the pipe down, you connect it to your toilet via a soil pipe, and that's it. And so the pipe comes partly into the hole here. And when you've done that, you just put the septic tank into the hole. Boom, just like that. It just drops straight in. How easy is that? It's as simple as that, all right? And then the orange pipe will just push in or slot into the inlet pipe on the septic tank. Okay, clunk, click. Now, when you've done that, the next thing to do is to put your inspection chamber in. The inspection chamber comes complete. You just literally put it straight onto the soil there. All right, and then you just connect a pipe from the outlet pipe of the septic tank to the inspection chamber. That's it. How easy is that? All right, how long has this taken us so far? I don't know, what, 15 minutes? 30 minutes? But you're getting the point here, how you can save yourself 10 to 12,000 quid by getting yourself a septic tank soakaway kit. Now let me show you how easy it is to put the soakaway. So you've put your inspection chamber in, you've got your hole there. The next thing that you do is you get your crates and you lay them in the hole. So let me show you this. Put in 1 crate, 2 crates, 3 crates, 4 crates, 5 crates, 6 crates. How easy is that? They just drop in the hole, clunk, click, and just push them together. Okay. Then you get the pipe from the inspection chamber here, and you just put the pipe straight from there into the crates, like that. It's as simple as that. I mean, so there you go. That's what it will look like when it's in the crates there. I mean, how long will that take you? 5 minutes, 10 minutes to do, 15 minutes. And when you've done that, you cover the crates in the free membrane that you got with the septic tank soakaway crate. So let me zoom out now and let me show you what it looks like from an aerial point of view. So there you go. So that's what it looks like. All right. And then when you've done that, all right, once you've done that, you then basically put a bit of shingle around the tank. So let me zoom into the tank for you. It's 20 to 30 mil shingle. Maybe you'll need 4, 5, 6 ton of shingle. You can just get it in the bags, and that just goes around the tank there. That's as simple as that. So let me show you what that looks like from the side. All right, that's what it looks like from the side. It's just really easy, really simple to do. Okay. Okay, so once you've done that, once you've put the shingle around the septic tank and you've put everything into the hole, then the next thing is easier than ever. What you do is you just cover everything over with soil. So let's do this. So you cover the septic tank soakaway crates with soil. Job done. You cover the inspection chamber with soil. You cover the septic tank with soil. And then you fill the trench back in with soil. Job done. So that's what it looks like when you're finished. All you've got is 2 lids, one for the septic tank and one for the inspection chamber. So just getting back to what I was saying before. So option 2, you've seen how easy it is to do. These septic tank and soakaway kits will save you, man alive, 10, 12, 13,000 quid, and there's something that you can install within an hour, 2 hours, something like that. So how do you find them? Well, let me show you how easy they are to find. So what I would just do, I would go onto Google. Let me go onto Google here. Let me show you this. So we go onto Google. Let me put on Google, and then what I would just type in, I'd just type in septic tank soakaway kit and put that in, and let's scroll down. There we go, right at the top, soakaway kits, septic tanks and soakaway kits. There you go. So I'd click that, and there you go. You get your septic tank soakaway kits there, and just based on the number of bedrooms you've got, You can either just go for the soakaway kit themselves, or based on the number of bedrooms you've got, which in this instance was a 3 to 4, and there you go. You've even got a video there that's on there showing you what I've just shown you. So there you go. I hope that's helped. Let me just get my alter ego off there. There you go. So that's how to save yourself 10 to 12,000 quid and put in your own septic tank and soakaway. Literally within 2 to 3 hours will get you built to do it and save yourself 10 to 12,000 quid. All these septic tank and soakaway kits are fully building regs approved. Building regs love them. You get a government MOT certificate with your septic tank and soakaway once they're put in. Job done. So if you're looking to sell your house and they're trying to get you to knock your house price by 10, 15,000 quid, don't do it. Don't do it. Get yourself a septic tank and soakaway kit, or put it in yourself, get a builder to do it, whatever. So listen, if that tip helps you and it saves you 10 to 15,000 quid, then you can kindly make some donations if you want to septictank.co.uk here. They'll be gratefully received, and I can promise you I'll have a nice pint or two based on those kindly donations. So listen, if you'd like some more free help and advice, then just go to septictank.co.uk. You'll see loads of free videos like this one helping you save money, showing you simple and cost-effective solutions to complicated septic tank problems. Or if you go onto Google and type in septic tank TV, you'll see my YouTube Septic Tank TV channel. There's tons more free videos on there. And if you subscribe, right, if you subscribe to my Septic Tank TV channel, you'll be in with a chance to win a free septic tank and soakaway kit. So listen, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. You take care, and I'll speak to you soon. For more information, just click the link below this video, or visit septictank.co.uk for free help and advice.